Hi everyone, welcome back to Yuma Perf TV channel. So today I'm gonna show you how we can make soba noodle for this winter time. So let's go to the ingredient. For the ingredient we got the soba noodle. I already make it into a pack, easy for you guys to cook at home. So inside we got the noodle already cooked and the chicken, and we got some onsen egg for the sexy things, and we got also the spring onion and a sauce for you to go with as well. So let's go and see how we can do it. So inside here there's a little pack of sauce that we already measure up for you. With this one, just put it into the pot, and then on top you just add in a 200 ml of water. So that will be ready for our soup base. Then we're gonna bring this one to boil. The next step, we're gonna put in the noodle when the soup already boiling. What we want to do, the noodle is already cooked. We just want to heat it up a little bit. Also with the chicken, just want to heat it up inside the broth. And then the chicken will soak up all the flavor from the broth as well. So now, after the noodle is cooked, just want to transfer it into the bowl. Put in the soup. Then we're gonna arrange the chicken onto the bowl. Just want to crack the sexy onsen egg onto a bowl first, because the extra egg whites is gonna make the soup very cloudy. That's why we separate the egg into a small bowl first. Then just gonna put the veggie onto the bowl as well. And the most important thing, just give it a little bit more better flavor. We add in the balsamic teriyaki on the chicken. And I'm ready to enjoy my soba noodle.